Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 1. Want to talk about our discussion. The topic is monitoring plan of Flutella silostella in cabbage plant. Next, our group our group member is me, Muhammad Unir Zairan Munte, with student number 134190010, and then Sartika Sari 134190011, and then Rehatun Mustakimah with student number 134190032, and then Ridwan with student number 134190043. Cabbage leaf caterpillar or Plutella silostella L, also known as the diamondback moth, is an oligophagy with a host limited to cabbage. This pest attacks the shoots and leaves of cabbage plant from seedling to harvesting. The part of the plant that attacked is the leaf with symptoms of fall. P. silostella pests have a wide distribution area both in the tropics and subtropics. Next slide. The morphology is moth eggs are very small, laid singly on the underside of the leaf. The larvae are easily distinguished from other insect pest larvae because these larvae do not have longitudinal lines on their bodies. Widens in the middle, tapers anteriorly and posteriorly, forming a V shape, and small at about 0.33 inch. The life cycle lasts 10 to 14 days and forms a cocoon on the leaf or stalk for population. The larvae mostly eat the outer leaf or out leaf on both old plants and the growing points of young plants, also flower stalks and flower buds.
The larvae consists of 4 instar. The size of the fourth instar is 10 to 12 millimeter. The head part has light yellow with dark spots, and the body is light green with thin black fur. The pupa is located on the leaves or stems, like a white thread that looks like a spool of thread. A newly hatched larvae caterpillar snore cabbage lives for 2 till 3 days. Furthermore, it eats the tissue on the lower surface or the upper surface of the leaf and leaves a thin transparent layer so that the leaf looks like a window and eventually tears and form a hole. Next. Cabbage leaf caterpillars can attack all the stages of the growth, both vegetative and generative, from the beginning of the pre-crop formation, 0 till 49 day after planting, until the crop formation phase, 49 till 85 day after planting. Severe attacks occur in the dry season at the age of 5 till 8 weeks. The damage can reach 100%, and if the population is high, it can cause plant death because the leaves are eaten up, leaving only the leaf bones. Next. The quantity and quality of primary and secondary compounds in host plant affected the development and interest of Flutella silostella in various plant species. In addition to food factors, temperature and humidity also affect the length of development of this pest. The result of the study showed that the average length of the larva phase was 12.75 till 13.38 days at temperature from 24 to 27 degrees Celsius and humidity 67% till 82%. The optimum temperature and humidity for the growth was 17 to 25 degrees Celsius and humidity 60% till 90%. The temperature factor will affect the insect metabolic process. If the environmental temperature rises, the metabolic process will accelerate. So the time needed to complete the development of insect will be faster and vice versa.
Okay, the next is monitoring plan. For sampling technique for this insect is simple random sampling. In monitoring the cabbage leaf caterpillar Rutella silostella pest monitoring activity, it was carried out by approaching the cabbage plant and looking around at the pest stadia found in the cabbage plant. There are upper and lower leaves, soil, and stems. This activity is carried out in the morning at 7 until 9 EM when the plants are 21 until 49 day after planting for consecutive weeks. Use physical control by setting a sex pheromone trap of 1 per 50 square meter to monitor the male moth population. If 20 moths are caught in 7 eggs per trap, it is necessary to apply insecticide. Regular land monitoring needs to be done for decision making to control this pest.
Next, controlling P. Kilostella. Mechanical control. Control bee farming including timing of planting, crop rotation, simultaneous planting, intercropping, or monoculture as offering quality and hardly sanitation with control around plantation and canals, perfect tillings, good water management, spacing planting, trap crop planting. Chemical control. The control carried out bee farms generally as pesticide. The use of pesticides in controlling plant pests is very intensive, but types of intensicities are as and the doses are hinged. The situation can cause serious problems, including the emergence of resistance, resurgence, and the eruption of a scourge pest. Biology control. Natural animals and often of the leaf and controlling diamondback moth such and the in what's Diadema insular has been identified as the most common parasite. The biologic control agent for insects plus in entomopathogenic fungi. Several fungi have been reported to be pathogenic in insects, include Behaveria, Behavician, Corydocephalus militaris, and Metarhizium anisoplianae.
That's it for our presentation about the topic of the discussion. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.